Red, I think I've lost the wrench.
Kevin, that was our last wrench. It looks like we won't be able to return home now. How are you going to repair the module now? Our beloved Elon won't send us a new wrench for another year.
George, what do you want to do? Let's see what this little baby can do. Solar dust again. I'm so tired of this. I'm constantly cleaning these panels.
Michael, this is an incredible view. Just magnificent.
Many people ask me what our toilet looks like. Now, I'll show you how it works. Oh my God, what is this? What the?
Beautiful views. Straight from space.